Hi guys, this is Mohammed Hossein and you are watching the channel Code with Hossein. So in this video, we are going to create a dynamic application using Jetpack Compose that will help you to learn more concepts in the Jetpack Compose. So let's start. We have just created a new project of Jetpack Compose. Now we are going to create the UI. So what we need to create, we have a requirements. First, we need to download a zip file of these images. So first, we need to understand what we are going to develop in this video. So it's a basically laminate application in which there are four steps. In each steps, images and actions would be different. Like this is the first step: tap the laminate tree to select a lemon. So first we need to design this screen, then we go for the functionality part of this application. So it's step three. What we need to do, this will be image, and step three and then step four. Once user click on the image, it will be changed on the basis of the steps previous. So these are the guidelines that we need to follow while developing this application on Jetpack Compose. So guys, let's make this application using Jetpack Compose. So we have downloaded this image, so in folder, and you can see these multiple images. First, we need to import this image in our Android Studio. So let's come to the Android Studio part. Just click on Resource Manager, and there is a button, plus button. Just click on it and import drivers. So just we need to work at the path. Yeah, here we go. So finally, we have import the images in our Android Studio. So different images have different naming. Click on next. So finally, we have four images that we need to use during development. So guys, first we need to understand what we are going to make using Jetpack Compose. We have already learned different basic concepts of Jetpack Compose. So here you can see this is image that we have already learned how to add image into any application, and this is text view, and there is some border. So we learn how to add border in this series as well, and so definitely its children, its vertical, it means its layouts will be in the column section. So UI is very basic, but we need to understand the different concept while developing this application. So let's begin. Here you can see the split in mode we need to build. And what's we have currently, I just create the new project, and there is default functions that created by the studio whenever you create Android Jetpack Compose project. So here's the first group where so finally building process of this UI has been completed. You can see this is the default preview. So first we need to change like let's change the function name for better understanding what we are going to develop. So you have to change there as well. So guys, let's start for the UI part, and this is the column section that first we need to add. So in the column section, there is image, as you can say, and printer source that is used for the display image in UI. So this printer is source on dot driver, and this is let's take some UI geometry and give some content description. Let's add step one, and here we can add spacer modify dot height, give some height strengthening dp. So guys, we have given space, and here we have implemented the image and some text. So definitely we have to retrieve the text from the string resources as well. And you can see this is step one, and this is image has been drawn. So finally, guys, we have this image. Now we get some modifiers. Modifiers is important. Like we are going to add some modifier. Modifier dot fill max size. So we need to align horizontal alignment dot center. Alignment dot center horizontal. So basically, column has different alignments: vertical arrangement and horizontal alignment. So we need to set according to. So you can see our layout has been designed. Here's image and it is text. So next step we have to do modifiers. Dot wrap content. So guys, first target we have to add some click event on this image, and this is the text need to update dynamically from the string result. So first add modifier on this image, and modifier dot is the wrap content size. Then we have some clickable effects, clickable images. So first we need to change the whenever user click on this image, so the index of this step will be changed. Initially we have some current index. As we know that composable is stateless, having no state, but it create decompositions. So during composition, many things can be reset. So we have to use remember keywords for our utilization. Remember mutable state of one. So this is current index, and let's give value 0. Let's do one. So whenever user click, so we have to increase the index. It's giving suggestion we can create optimize the code in this way as well. So we can check using current index. We have to create one more variable that is image resource. That depends upon whenever user what's the current index, and if current index we have current index one, so it's global dot. In the current index we have to use 11 tree. Else we have different default things we can use. Alternate comma here. So error has been gone. So guys, then we have in the second step, in the third step, in the fourth step. So first step 11 trees, and whenever user click, it will switch to the another lemon trees. After lemon trees, there is lemon chain, and then we have a last thing, lemon restart. It's a recycling process, or again we will recycle from the start position. So finally we have used different images. Let's add this to this as we have already added, and remove this and give image resource. And this is current index. First we have to do, yeah. So this is current resource. So whenever user click on this image, so we have updated the index, and we have to also update the text. How we can update the text? And let's add here some values, give some name like step 1 text, step 2 text, step 3 text, and step 4 text. So this is step 1 text, just copy from here and paste here. Step 2 text, you can see tap the laminate to drink it. So just copy it and use here. Finally, we have added the required text for each step. So let's proceed for the result. What's the result right now? It means there should be some just copy from here or just leave it and step text equal to when is the current index and just you have to pick the first alto string and step one text and for the other things. So guys, finally we have added the current index for the step text as well. So we have to use step text instead of hard-coded text here and step text just paste here. It's not picking this some there just how can this possible? Step, so step text. Okay, fine. Just add something. Okay. Because when I use this word is converted into integer, so that's where we have to remember the things while doing this type of development. So one thing, oh my mistake, step 3 and the step 4. Let's check the output. So guys, finally we have built some UI and added functionality. So whenever user click, it will reflect. But there is some tricky part as well. So whenever user come into the step 2, we have to use lemon image and user have to click multiple times proceeding for the next step. So we have to get at this thing as well. coding part. It's taking some time to building this application. So finally, guys, application has built, and here's output, and there's some number. A number is due to the string address. So we have missed one thing here. We have to cater this. It's just taking some time. What we need to do, we have to use string resource because we are getting the string from string values. So we have to use this, and we have to directly pass the step tags. Let's build it again. So guys, you can see this is the output of what we have developed so far. Let's click on this image and tap the tree to select a lemon. Just tap on this. Wow, this is keep tapping the lemon to see this. Let's tap on the lemon. Tap the lemon to drink it. Let's click on this, and it's working. Wow. But there is missing part whenever we reach on this current index is equal to 4. Again, give him 1. Let's check it. So we have to repeat the process again and again. So we have added this logic here. Just click, just click, let's check it again. It's missed the empty glass object. So finally, guys, we have learned in this video how to add image, how to add event on image, how to change the tags on the clicking events, and get text from the string resources, how we can add spaces, how we can add tags, and how we can align their content using column and giving modifiers, horizontal arrangement as well. So guys, this is the output. Just click, click, and click. Wow, it's working. But there is something is missing that we need to cater. So whenever we come to the second step, we can lemon to squeeze. Keep tapping. So we can use lemon multiple times for the speed purpose. So how we can get this? Let's copy this and add one more thing here is step count, and currently we have two is down, and we used something here. So whenever user come to this point, once I click, so we have if current index is equal to 1 and just generate space count. Space count will be, it could be random dot random function at sets the default function. If current index is equal to 2 and space count is equal to 0, then we can proceed. Else we have to use space count minus minus. If space count space count getting than 0, and else we can increase index. Let's check output what will happen. As we have added the number one condition, whenever we have a current x1, increase the count. Instead of multiple if, we can use go for the when statement as well. Start working so far. Let's add one statement for make it more. So guys, finally we have made logic using when statement for make it more concise and readable. In the first index, we have added squeeze count that we need to check how many times we need to squeeze the lemon. In the next step, we will checking squeeze count is 0. Let's update the index, otherwise we have to squeezing continuously. And then we have a current index, and this we have. So what's we have done so far, and this is the whole process that we need to cater in this lemon and tap and squeeze multiple times. Thus you can see it's continuously squeezing the lemon. is the final output, and you can click wow, keep lemon tapping to squeeze it once time, one more time, one more time, one more time. Wow, four times we have squeezed the lemon into this glass. Let's enjoy it. Just time again click. Wow, glass is empty. Just fill it again. Let's again come to the tree. Just take lemon, squeeze it 20 times. Oh, it's squeezing. Wow, wow, it's working. Thank you guys for watching this video. In the next series, in the next video, we will come out with different application so you can learn more concepts of the Jetpack Compose in short period of time. Just subscribe this channel and share to your friends. Thank you.